Hello, everyone. My name is Dhruv Mohan. I am the International Recruitment Manager at Western Continuing Studies based here in London, Ontario. Western Continuing Studies, we offer 1 year and 2 year post-degree diploma programs incorporating work integrated learning. Our programs are in the area of business and health and are ideal for those who are looking to upskill, reskill, or even those students who have recently graduated. We are very happy to collaborate with our trusted partners, Canam consultants, who have been a pioneer in bringing international study opportunities across North America for students over many years. To know more about our programs and life at Western University or in the City of London, Ontario, kindly book an appointment with the Western Continuing Studies desk number 112 through your Canam counselors to meet me between 9 and 19th of April on a date and time convenient to you. I look forward to seeing you very soon and to discuss more about the opportunities present at Western Continuing Studies.